So on your new iPhone 17 Pro Max, Autofill not showing the right info. So now you want to change it and update your correct name, address or card details. So here's how you can easily change your Autofill information in just a few seconds. So first from your settings, you have to scroll down to apps and then you have to search for Safari. Just select it and now scroll down a bit, choose Autofill. And now from here, tap My Info and choose your contacts card. So now you have to make sure you have entered your correct name, number or other details in your card. So now to check that, go back to your contact app and tap on your My Card. Then tap Edit. And now you have to check that all your information is filled out properly. And now when you are done, just save it. And from now on, your Autofill will use the correct details whenever you fill out forms or sign in anywhere. Isn't it really easy to change? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.